Did you buy a retirement plan for yourself? Are you looking for a pension plan which gives you a guaranteed return for life? How about taking a pension plan which is guaranteed by Government of India? Good morning friends, my name is Sukhdeep Singh Komal and I work for LIC of India as an insurance advisor and provide insurance solutions and services to NRIs. LIC Jeevan Shanti is one such pension plan which covers all the above questions. That is, fixed pension for life, guaranteed by Government of India, you pay the premium only once and you decide when you want to start your pension or you plan your retirement yourself. Friends, as name suggests, it is Jeevan Shanti, means peaceful life. Everyone wants to have a peaceful retirement life. At this stage, you don't want to have any kind of hassles or stresses in your life. Like if you keep your money into the share market, you will always remain concerned with the fluctuations. Similarly, if you plan your retirement with the rental income, there would be a lot of hassles related to tenant dealings, legal documentations and litigations. And if you keep your money into the bank rates would keep falling. At this stage, everyone wants to have a fixed income which is credited into his account on 1st of every month. And this is possible only by LIC Jeevan Shanti. So before I explain you the plan, let's understand why NRIs should invest in Jeevan Shanti or why NRIs should choose LIC Jeevan Shanti as a retirement plan. The first and foremost is it is the most secured investment. Friends, as you are aware, all the LIC plans, Government of India has a sovereign guarantee over it. Your money, your investment and the bonuses accrued on your policy are fully guaranteed, are fully secured by Central Government of India. Second, LIC Jeevan Shanti is a single premium plan. That means you only need the premium only once. You don't need to pay a regular premium. This is a security against falling rate of interest. Friends, as you are aware that rate of interest are falling everywhere, in every country. So when you sign up for LIC Jeevan Shanti, your annuity or your rate of interest is fixed at that time itself, depending upon the deferment period you choose. We'll explain in the presentation as well. So that annuity would remain fixed for whole life. It cannot be changed during the plan term. Another feature is it can be taken as a single life or a joint life. That means you can take it individually on your name or you can take it with your wife, with your children, with your parents. So when what happens in case of joint life, annuity is paid to the first annuitant till he is alive. After his death, the same annuity is paid to the second annuitant till he or she is alive. Another very good option, that is the assignment option. Now, what is the assignment option? That means, for example, and it is very useful for NRIs. For example, there is any relative or any brother or sister or parents, anyone in India is need of financial help from you, or you want to help someone, some NGO or some religious institute or anyone, but you don't want to put your money into their account. I mean, you want to you want to have a safety of your money. So what you can do, you can take Jeevan Shanti, put the assignment to that person or that institute. You can decide how much money to be paid to them. I mean, you can do it part assignment as well, and you can fix the period as well. For example, you say that 50% of the annuity should go to the person and remaining 50% comes to you, and you want to have for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, whatever the period you want to choose. I give you an example. One of my client had a relative, a distant relative who got died, and he wants to help the family. So what he did, he took the Jeevan Shanti on his name, put the assignment on the family of the deceased. Now the deceased family is getting 20,000 per month as a help from the NRI person, and he put the assignment for 10 years. Like after 10 years the kids would grow up and they will start earning the money. After that they don't need any help from him. So after 10 years automatically the assignment would stop and the money, the annuity would start going to the NRI person. And in case of any mishappening during the plan term, he has nominated his wife as a beneficiary. So the investment money plus 5% additional would go to his wife. So this is a very good option when you want to help someone in it. Another option is it gives you the multiple annuity options. You can choose monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly as per your requirements. The last one is the death benefits. This plan is not an annuity plan, it also gives you the insurance cover. So insurance cover during the deferment period is higher, and once your annuity starts, it starts reducing. I will show you in the illustration later as well. And after a certain period it becomes 105% of the invested amount or the purchase price. Now let's see the plan parameters. The Jeevan Shanti plan parameters are like the minimum age of entry is 30 years and maximum age of entry is 79 years. That means any person between 30 years to 79 years can take this plan. And minimum age of vesting, that means when your annuity would start is 31 years and maximum age is 80 years. That means in case a 79 years person joins LIC Jeevan Shanti, he would get a maximum deferment period of 1 year because annuity must start after 80 years. Minimum purchase price is 1,50,000 and there is no upper limit. You can invest as much money as you want to. Annuity mode are monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly, and the deferment periods you can choose is 1 year to 12 years. The minimum is 1 year and maximum can be 12 years. Talking about the benefits of Jeevan Shanti, it offers two kind of benefits. One is survival benefits and another is death benefits. For single life, the survival benefits are paid immediately after completion of the deferment period. The annuity is paid as per the mode he has chosen, and it is paid for whole life. The death benefits during the deferment period is purchase price plus accrued additional granted benefits, and I will definitely show you these accrued benefits in an illustration later in the video. And death after the deferment period, it is 105% of the purchase price. In case of joint life, survival benefits are paid to the first annuitant after completion of the deferment period and as long as both the annuitant are alive. And in case of death of the first annuitant, the no death benefits are paid, but the annuity is paid to the second annuitant for the rest of his or her life. In case of death of both the annuitant in the joint life, the purchase price plus 105% of the purchase price is paid to the nominee after death of the both the annuitant. So friends, let's understand Jeevan Shanti through an illustration. I have taken a premium of 1 crore rupees. If you invest rupees 1 crore in Jeevan Shanti, the GST would be 1.8%. However, if an NRI is paying the premium from his NRI account or in a foreign currency, this GST would be exempted. So you don't need to pay the GST. So as explained that this Jeevan Shanti is available in 12 options. You can go for the deferment period between 1 year to 12 years. So if someone is going for a 1 year deferment, the yearly annuity would be 6,03,000 rupees, and if he is going for the monthly, it would be 48,163 rupees. Friend, these are the revised rates. LIC of India has recently revised the interest rate for Jeevan Shanti and Jeevan Akshay. So you can see that in case of 1 year deferment, the rate of interest is 6.03%. All right, and if you are going for 2 years deferment period, it would be 6,45,000. And if you are going for 3 years deferment, the yearly annuity would be 6,90,000. In case of 4 years deferment, it is 7,38,000, and in case of 5 years, it is 7,72,000. Sorry. In case of 6 year deferment, the annuity is 8,25,000 per annum. That means 8.25% rate of interest. In case of 7 years deferment, the annuity is 8,81,000. In 8 years deferment period, it is 9,39,000, and in 9 years deferment it is 9,99,000. In case of 10 year deferment, the rate of interest is 10.44%. The annuity is 10,44,000, and in case of 11 years deferment, it is 11,05,000. And in case of 12 years deferment, which is the maximum you can take, the annuity is 11,68,000. That means you are getting a fixed guaranteed interest rate of 11.68% for whole life. So friends, this annuity does not change during your lifetime. It remains fixed for whole life. So if we compare the current interest rates you are getting in the banks against your FDR, so it is much higher as compared to the bank rates. And secondly, in bank rates, as the rates are falling and they are not granted, for example, you have taken a FDR for 5 years, so the guarantee of the rate which you have entered is for 5 years only. After 5 years, whatever the prevailing rate at that time, it will be paid to you at the time of renewal. But here, when you are entering into Jeevan Shanti, whichever term you are using and whatever the rate of interest is fixed, it would remain same for whole life. It does not change, and this is what we require after the retirement. After retirement, we want to ensure that our money which we have given to a financial institution for the purpose of generating a monthly income or a pension for us, it should remain same. It should not reduce. We should have a security that the rate of interest should not go down. So here this Jeevan Shanti gives us the you can say a guarantee, or it ensures that your income for whole life will remain same. Now come to the second page. As friends, I told you that this premium is inclusive of GST. So if you are paying it from your NRI account, or if you are paying from foreign account, this GST would not be applicable. You only need to pay the basic premium, that is 1 crore. One more thing, when I am saying 1 crore, that does not mean that you have to pay 1 crore only. You can pay lower amount, or you can go for the higher amount as well, as per your needs. So for example, if you are going for the 50 lakh premium, the benefits would reduce to 50%. If you going for 25 lakh rupees of investment, the benefits which you are shown here would be reduced to 25%. But if you double your investment, the benefits would automatically get doubled. So in case of 1 crore premium, the natural risk cover in the first year is 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. And friends, you can see that your risk cover is this illustration is for 12 years deferment. So if you choose 12 years deferment, your natural risk cover in the first year is becomes higher by 10%. In the second year, it becomes 1,21,000. 1 crore 21 lakh. In the third year, it becomes 1 crore 32 lakh rupees. In the fourth year, it becomes 1 crore 43 lakh rupees. And in the last year of deferment, it becomes 2 crore 31 lakh rupees. That means it is more than your double of your invested amount. And thereafter, after 12 years, you start getting the your returns of you start getting the annuity. So as your annuity starts, this sum assured would start going down, and you can see that at the age of 62, when your annuity is starting, your risk cover is 2 crore 19 lakh rupees, and thereafter it becomes 2 crore 8 lakh rupees, and it would reduce till the age of 71. That means almost for 21 years, and thereafter it becomes fixed for 1 crore 5 lakh rupees. That means 105% of your invested amount. So it remain same, and whenever death happens, this 1 crore and 5 lakh rupees is paid to the nominee. And you can see, friends, this annuity is fixed for whole life, and it is granted. It will not go down during your lifetime. It would be paid to you for the whole life. Friends, most NRIs often ask if there is any option to withdraw partial money, or if they need some money at an point of time, what are the options available? Friends, you can see that this is the loan option available to you for whole life. As you are aware that after retirement, there are few institutions which are ready to give you loan, but in Jeevan Shanti, you have an option to take a loan of 60 lakh rupees at any point of time. As well as you can also, if you want to close this plan anytime, this is the cash value you will get. So like in the first 12 years, when your annuity is not started yet, this cash value is higher, and if you want to close the plan at the age of 61, you will get 1 crore 48 lakh rupees, and thereafter it becomes fixed for 85 lakh rupees. If you close this plan at any point of time, you will get the 85 lakh rupees. But I would suggest, instead of getting this 85 lakh rupees, you should take the loan. Definitely it is a short term need, and 61 lakh rupees is available at the disposal of to cater that need. So for example, you need 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees, you can take a loan against your Jeevan Shanti plan. So friends, in case of person who are above 60 years, and if they want to start an immediate annuity, LIC also offers Jeevan Akshay option, which gives you immediate annuity option. So if you don't want to wait for 1 year or 5 year, 10 year, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year deferment is good for people who are yet to retire, who are between 45 to 55, who have some time to start the pension. But people who are already crossed 60 and they want to have some pension plan, they can go for Jeevan Akshay, which is an annuity plan. You can call me, you can contact me through my website. My contact number and my website link is given in the description box. You can discuss your needs. I will definitely give you the best option that is most suitable to you. Or even if you need any help, any assistance, you can call me as well. One more question which often NRIs ask, whether they should buy this plan online or offline. So friends, if you go for online option, if you purchase it online on the LIC website, you get some, I think 1% or 2% discount, but there you need to pay the GST, which is 1.8%. In the offline mode, you will get GST exemption, which is 1.8%, and plus a personalized services as well. After taking the policy, you need to change nominee, you want to have an assignment, anything. So I would be always available to you. So friends, I look forward to have a serve you to serve my NRI clients. do contact me whenever you want to. Thank you very much.